Installing a new catalytic converter is a simple task, if not an expensive task, as the price of catalytic converters has gone up incredibly over the last few years. It's easy to do. Just make sure you pre-soak your hardware the night before with a good penetrating oil. And be prepared, if need be, to grind the old hardware off depending on the type of climate you live in and how rusted and corroded it is. There are two options available when replacing your old catalytic converter. One of them is a cat bypass pipe. You must check with the regulations in your area. This pipe is intended for track use, and use of one will cause you to fail a smog test and may be illegal in many states. Always replace the gaskets and hardware when replacing your cat. A new cat installed on your car should instantly improve the performance. Years of use can clog old converters, causing restrictions that prevent the engine from running properly. You should also check your O2 sensor and make sure it has not failed. That can cause the car to run very rich, which will just start damaging your newly replaced and very expensive cat. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.